Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can watch a video using VLC media player. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to watch a video using VLC media player, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to open your VLC media player app. And once you've opened the app, next, I want you to select the media menu at the top. And then click Open Files. And after clicking it, your file explorer will then appear. So just go to the directory or location where the video that you want to watch is saved to find it. And once you've found the video that you want to watch, just go and select it. And then you can now click this button. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your video will now start showing on your VLC media player just like that. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.